In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a repeat event every 2 weeks in Google Calendar. Whether you're planning recurring meetings, classes, or any special occasion, setting up a regular reminder in Google Calendar can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive in and make sure this process is as seamless as possible for you. First, you'll want to open up your Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to google.com and selecting the calendar app from the menu, or simply typing Google Calendar into your search engine. Once you're there, you'll see your current calendar view. Now, to create a new event, double click on the date when you want this recurring event to begin. A pop-up window will appear where you can start adding details about your event. In this new event window, take a moment to fill out the event's title, location, and any other pertinent details that might be important for your planning. This could mean adding a description, inviting guests, or even linking important documents. All these details help in making the event more complete and informative for anyone involved. Next, let's set this event as recurring. You'll notice an option that reads "Does not repeat" near the date and time information. Click on the down arrow next to it, which will open up a range of repeat options. Choose custom from this list. The custom option is powerful because it allows you to tailor the recurrence pattern to your exact needs. In the custom repeat settings, select weekly as the frequency of your event. This is how often the event repeats in a cycle. Since we want this event every 2 weeks, set the interval to 2. This step is crucial as it indicates this will be a bi-weekly event rather than every week. Furthermore, you'll need to determine when you want this series to end. You have the choice of selecting a specific end date or setting a number of occurrences after which the series should conclude. Consider your schedule and what makes sense in the context of your overall planning. Once you've finished configuring these settings, take a moment to review everything to ensure it's correct. If everything looks good, simply click Save in the top right corner of your event window. Your new bi-weekly event is now created and will automatically appear on your calendar every 2 weeks. And there you have it, an easy way to set up a repeating bi-weekly event in Google Calendar. This feature can significantly streamline your scheduling process, ensuring you never miss an important event. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.